going to discuss about the security management. By the way, my name is LABESORES,
Hurboda,
Nicholle, Lanipa.
and this is our project. Check this out. Security management or security in operating system provides protection system to the computer system resources such as CPU, memory, disk, and even the software programs. And the most important of all is the data or the information inside of the operating system. And also, the security provides the protection or to protect the operating system from threats, viruses, malware, and worm, and also to the remote hacker intrusions. And now, I'm going to introduce to you all the parts of the security management in operating system. First is the user, the main entrance, the login censored alarm, and one of the most important of all that can prevent the harm that can cause problem to the operating system is the firewall. And the important thing or the important matter of all is the operating system. And now we are going to talk about or to discuss to you about the functions of all parts in security management. First, the user. The user is the one who want to enter the operating system or who want to use the computer system. And the next one is the login censored alarm. Login censored alarm, the function of login censored alarm is to scan the login process of the users or the login process of many data or information that wants to enter the operating system.
I'm going to discuss the function of a firewall. Firewall maintain the security and prevent unauthorized user from accessing private networks connected to a network such as internet or LAN. It is recognized as the first line of defense to determine whether it should be allowed to pass or be blocked to enter the operating system.
and now I will discuss to you about pathways in operating system and what is operating system. Pathways in operating system is the way where user go through before they enter operating system. And operating system is the one who manage hardware and softwares. And it manage overall process in computer system. In pathway in operating system is divided into two, authorized and unauthorized pathways. As you see, these ways serves as pathways in operating system. And this house serves a operating system.
And now, we are going to demonstrate how the security management works. And now, let's try if the user one is unauthorized or not authorized to enter the operating system. Mr. Hurboda, please run the user one. As you can see or hear, the login censored alarm scan the login process of the user one. And the firewall prevent the user one because user one is not authorized to enter the operating system. What about the user 2? Let's try if it is an authorized or not authorized user. Mr. Hurboda, please. As you can see or hear, the censored alarm makes sound. and it scanned the login process of the user too. And the firewall did not prevent the user too because it is authorized to log in the operating system.
And now, let's try user 3 if it is authorized or unauthorized user. Mr. LABESORES. As you see, user 3 entered the firewall or the operating system. It is because user 3 is an authorized user. And you hear that the login sensor alarm is ring. It is because it means there's a user who entered the system. And now, let's try user 4 if it is an authorized user or authorized user. Mr. LABESORES. As you see, user 4 is blocked by the firewall. It is because user 4 is an authorized user. And as you hear, login sensor alarm ring again, it is because there is a user who entered the system.
And that's how the security management works in operating system. And also, it is same example with the user and the other threats that can harm the operating system. And that's all. Thank you for watching.